Pete. Okay, so I'm here at this house. This is really cute. 1,900 square feet, double door entry. So you have a living room, got your mirrors you like, Pete, see? Nice floor. Here's the kitchen. It's all been redone, new cabinets. These were custom, I believe she said. Let me go back a little bit there. Now, if you don't like the color, I kind of do, but you know, that's me. I will personally paint this for you, Pete. No big deal. We'll go outside in a minute. But here's the living room again. Those windows look newer. They're newer windows, I think, aren't they? Here's the guest bath. There's no tub here, but there are nice, easy to get in showers. And this has a slider that goes to the outside. This is one bedroom. Second bedroom. Here's the primary suite. This is the only room that has carpet in it too. Oh, nice walk-in closet. Bathroom. Easy to get in. A little bit of a step here, but pretty easy. Okay, I'm gonna walk through again, and then we're gonna go to the backyard, which is really nice. This is all the storage in here. Has kind of this neat look. You might like that, Pete, kind of vintage. Okay, I'm gonna go out the back. Okay, here's the backyard. They have, well, this is the back part of the 2-car garage. They have plans for an ADU, that's an accessory dwelling unit, and it would go right here. So not that you have to do it, but it could be, it's really good for resale, or if you ever wanted one, someone could stay there. It's like a studio. Here's the pool. The pool does not have a heater, but a heater would cost around $5,000, she says, to put in. So we've got this nice covered patio here. Mountain views. Very private back here, Pete. There's real grass. It looks like it might be a lemon or lime. Grapefruit tree. Okay, one more look this way. So this would be the family room. This is a little eating area, but you could use this or that front area too. 2-car garage. Walkway to the back. Washer and dryer in the garage too. That's not optimal, but it would be cooler when you're here. And it also has this storage room.